Hello and welcome.
Today we are going to talk about the purchase channels among plumbers and HVAC installers.
Buying behavior in the construction and installation industry has always been quite different than, for example, when looking at the fast-moving consumer goods market. This is also the case for HVAC installers and plumbers. Their buying behavior is still quite traditional, with a very strong position of the specialized installation wholesale.
In the new Q3 report, we are investigating to what extent there have been any changes in the purchase behavior of installers and plumbers in the last 2 years. One of the key conclusions of this survey is that the installation wholesale still keeps its dominant position in all countries. In terms of share of wallet, we can see that the higher share of wallet is found in France, 83%, and the lowest in the Netherlands, 71%.
Pure online players, like Amazon, are not gaining much traction in the installation market. The highest share of wallet of this channel is only 8% and can be found in the UK. The main contender of the specialized installation wholesale seems to be direct supply from manufacturers. This is the highest, with 14% in Germany.
These are some of the key insights of the Q3 2021 report of the European Mechanical Installation Monitor, a quarterly survey among plumbers and HVAC installers in 7 countries. In the full version of the report, there is much more information to be found on various other purchase channels, but also on topics like way of ordering, click and collect, what are products mostly bought via pure online stores, and much more.
This report will provide vital insights on the ordering and buying behavior of installers and plumbers. This information is crucial for each marketeer active in this segment. For more information on this report, please feel free to contact us directly or take a look at the report impression, which can be found on this page.